Dubai Clock Tower is one of the oldest landmark here in Dubai, and it's one of the most beautiful clock towers in the world, and it's located in Deira, Dubai. Sa Deira? Tonight, we are going to a low-priced store, to an OFW or to the people who are like me. Para sa mga ga-budget, sa mga gustong magpasalubong, usually kami dito talaga kami bumibili. Not only groceries, pero pati din mga gamit sa bahay at clothings. Hmm? So this is Prisita. She's also going for shopping because she's going home. Yeah.
Too much things I buy also.
Too much things. She's buying everything because she's also going for vacation in India.
Nice.
To India. That one, what is that also? If you're looking for like cheap, I mean for us, like for us, those who are in the budget, we are really going or we are coming to this type of place. Kasi man jud ta barato ra man ilang mga tinda dire. So si ate, because she's going to send a cargo, so that's why we are here. We came here for shopping. And Prisita also, my friend, where is that one? Prisita also, yeah, she's also going for vacation, so that's why she's buying also things. It's good. Inshallah, she wants to buy everything na. Oh, ready na? Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I love this one.
Best deals. Wala to lagi siya ganun. Ito mga klase. Kung naadiri akong mama, mag-heart-heart na dyan ang mata ato kay mao gini ang mga ganahan nga home decors. Available po diri daghan ang mga souvenirs. So namalit na lang pud ko daan para pamundo. Since na naman ta sa area, ato na lang pahimuslan para usara ang biyahe, di na ta magsigbalik-balik. Usually that's what we are doing, like hinay-hinay pamalit until mapuno na tong box, so mao na to ipadana mo. After shopping, Prisita is hungry. Why you are sleepy?
Time now.
Me also. I'm sleepy. What time is it now? It's 12:40. It's 12:40 in the middle of the night. Napagyapon mi diri nangita mig pagkaon. It's so humid, no? Dry. It's a humid night. But because we went there, no, we just finished our shopping. No, it's her shopping. So we are hungry.
What also shopping?
Yeah. So we are hungry. That's why we came here. And we eat. We will eat. We are waiting for our order. And Ate also is there in the other side. She has something to do in some. Since I'm on a diet, so one piece of chicken only for me and one piece for Ate. We are sharing only. Diet daw, oh, diet. Klaro ha, Tita Lerbs, ang sa'yo nag-diet, bulsa, orte yan. I said, make it clear what's on a diet, your wallet or your pocket or yeah, everything. We finished eating. Risita, are you done? Yeah, but Ate Irene still did not come. I spoke to her and she said that the line, the queue there, it's very long. So much money, no? These people, no? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the night. 1 o'clock in the middle of the night, they are still there. In the machine, ATM machines. My God. How I wish I could have their money. Joke. What took you so long to let you go? Dagan kay tao. Gutom na ka. Nikaon na lang. Oh, aray mong 1 piece of chicken. Kaya nag-diet akong bulsa, nalanganin, nag-diet akong bulsa o nag-diet ako. There, umana na eh. Gusto kag bread. Risita doesn't like her bun.
Yeah. What?
I'm on diet. No carbs. Dagan kay tao, no? 2 o'clock in the night. Ay, 1 o'clock. What time is it? 1 o'clock, no? 1 o'clock morning, 1 a.m. Pero grabe kayong tao sa ATM, no? You have so much money. Yeah. No, today is 5, no? 6. June 6.
Salary.
Yeah, salary. Maybe salary during payment
Then I
time
will
also.
change my salary date.
So, 6. You have so much money.
I will miss 25.
This is too much already. This is too much already for too much already for a cheat day. Last final for today. I'll eat again after 14 hours. Bye.